In this video, we'll show you how to upload account balances into the selected profile. I'll start by selecting the analytics feature, and then we'll go to the data option. So before you upload balances, you may want to download your previous balances into a CSV format file and then change the account balances that you want to upload. So let's start by doing that. Select the download and review option, and then there's two options. You can either download previously imported or uploaded balances, which is included in a temporary table, or you can select your live management accounts, which I'll do in this case, and just click the download feature, and that will basically, there's just a virus check, and then you can basically just select the file that's been downloaded. So let's have a look at the format of the file. You have your profile number in column A, your account numbers in column B, and then you'll have all the different periods which are included in the balances table, which are followed by or preceded by M and followed by M. That's just the format that we prefer to upload it in. So you basically don't change anything in the headings column, and then just amend your balances as required. It looks empty, but it's not. There's just not, in this example, balances in all periods. So as you can see, that's everything that's been uploaded. If you delete an account here, the uploading feature basically will delete the previous contents of the balances and upload your new content. So if you delete an account, you'll basically, or a line in your download file, you'll basically delete that from your import file, and then subsequently also from your balances. You'll also notice that all amounts are rounded to the nearest integer. That's automatically done to make sure that your management accounts add up. So that's basically your example of what the import file actually looks like. I'm just going to close it now and not save it. And then I'm going to return to the upload balances feature. So now, once you've finalized your data, you've changed your import file, downloaded your previous data, made the changes that you wish to, then you're basically just going to choose the file that you want to use and then upload it. Just another note, all account balances must be uploaded in a cumulative balance basis, which means that with income statement accounts, if you have sales of 100,000, your first column will be 100,000, the second column will be 200,000, the third column will be 300,000. So cumulative balances, if your data is currently reflected in a monthly basis, you can use this template that we've provided to you for free, just to convert your monthly balances to cumulative balances. So I'm going to select the import file. I'm basically just going to use this file, the first one. Just open it, and then I'm going to click upload. It's just going to take a while, and then it's going to give you a message, in this case success, that it's been uploaded successfully. And then if you look at your edit balances, you'll see everything reflected there. So that's how you basically upload balances, by first downloading what's currently included, and then selecting, making your changes in your CSV file, selecting that file and uploading it. Just another note that uploading balances do not update your management accounts. You still need to complete the next step after you've reviewed everything in your import file, and then update your management accounts by using this option. That's basically it. That's how you upload accounts to your, or balances into your management.